Welcome to our channel, where we provide tips and tricks for managing your finances. Today's topic is how to save money for retirement. Retirement may seem like a long way off, but it's never too early to start saving for it. In this video, we will give you step-by-step instructions on how to save money for retirement. Saving for retirement can seem daunting, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's achievable. Before we jump into the steps, please consider supporting us by sharing, pushing the like, and subscribing to our channel. So, let's look at practical steps and tips on how to save money for retirement. Step 1. Set your goals. The first step in saving money for retirement is to set your goals. Determine how much money you will need to live comfortably in retirement. Consider your current lifestyle and your anticipated expenses in retirement. Once you have a target amount in mind, set a timeline for achieving your goal. Next, calculate how much money you'll need in retirement. Consider your current lifestyle and expenses and estimate how much you'll need to maintain that lifestyle in retirement. Once you have an estimate, you can then fit it into your savings goal. Step 2. Establish a budget. Next, establish a budget that includes your retirement savings goals. Look at your current expenses and see where you can cut back. Consider using a budgeting app or software to help you track your spending and savings. Creating a budget is crucial to saving for retirement. It helps you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and save more money. Track your spending for a month to get a sense of where your money is going. Then, create a budget that allows you to save for retirement while still covering your essential expenses. Step 3. Start saving early. The most important step to saving money for retirement is to start early. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only save a little bit each month, it will add up over time. Don't wait until you're closer to retirement to start saving. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the better. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. If your employer offers a 401k plan or other retirement savings plan, take advantage of it. If not, consider opening an IRA or other retirement account. Step 4. Maximize your contributions by taking advantage of employer plans. Many employers offer retirement savings plans, such as 401ks. If your employer offers a plan, take advantage of it. Contribute as much as you can, especially if your employer matches your contributions. It's essentially free money for your retirement savings. To maximize your retirement savings, contribute as much as you can afford. If you have a 401k plan, aim to contribute the maximum amount allowed by the IRS each year. If you have an IRA, consider making catch-up contributions if you are over 50. Step 5. Open an IRA. If your employer doesn't offer a retirement savings plan, consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA. There are two types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deferred savings, while Roth IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Consult with a financial advisor to determine which IRA is best for you. Step 6. Diversify your investments. Diversifying your investments is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consult with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your goals and risk tolerance. Investing your retirement savings in a diversified portfolio can ultimately help reduce risk and maximize returns. Keep in mind that investing involves risk, and you should always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Step 7. Review your plan regularly. Finally, review your retirement savings plan regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your goals. Adjust your contributions and investment strategy as needed. Remember, retirement planning is a long-term process, so stay committed to your goals. Monitoring your progress regularly and reviewing your retirement savings plan annually keeps you on track to meet your goals. Adjust your contributions or investment strategy as needed. That's it for our step-by-step guide on how to save money for retirement. Remember, the key to successful retirement planning is starting early, setting clear goals, and being disciplined in your savings and investment strategy. Creating a budget is essential to saving for successful retirement and taking advantage of employer plans or opening an IRA if needed. Diversify your investments and monitor your progress regularly. With these tips, you can build a solid foundation for a comfortable retirement. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to start saving for retirement. Thank you for watching, and if you see value in this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips.